I just want to point out an interesting development in the Estetica caps that I noticed in their new design called Estetica's Haven, shown here in R826H. So we all know that Estetica caps are roomy, they're stretchy, they typically feature open ear tabs, open napes, cool, comfortable, and stretchy, and typically fit a larger circumference more easily than a smaller circumference like mine. So it still features here the hook and pocket type adjusters, but how many of you out there have trouble with these hooks coming out of the pocket? I do. I've had a lot of trouble with that with Estetica brand. So I just want to point out something, that they have created these little hooks a little bit differently than they have in the past. They actually added a little lip to the hook. You can see that lip. See that little lip on the hook? It comes up a little farther, and it looks like it's going to prevent that hook from slipping out of the pocket so easily. Estetica, if you're listening, we do prefer, I think, Velcro style adjusters better than this, but I do appreciate that extra little extension on that hook to keep them in place. See you next time.